Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Ferroli gas boilers. Error code is A05. If you're dealing with this in 2025, you're in the right place. This error typically signals an ignition failure or flame detection problem, which can leave you without hot water or heating. Don't panic. Let's break it down step by step so you can troubleshoot and possibly fix it yourself. First off, safety is key. Before you do anything, turn off the boiler and isolate the gas supply to avoid any risks. Error code is A05 often occurs due to issues like a faulty ignition electrode, poor gas pressure, or even a blocked flue. It might show up as a flashing light or an error message on your boiler's display. To start troubleshooting, check if the gas supply is on and that there are no leaks. Use soapy water on connections to spot bubbles. Next, inspect the ignition electrode for dirt or damage. Clean it gently with a soft brush if needed. Reset the boiler by turning it off for a few minutes and then back on. If that doesn't work, examine the flame sensor for any buildup and ensure it's properly positioned. If you're comfortable, you can try resetting the boiler's control panel following the manufacturer's guidelines in your user manual. Remember, if you're not experienced with gas appliances, it's best to call a certified engineer to avoid voiding your warranty or causing further damage. In summary, error code is A05 is usually fixable with basic checks, but always prioritize safety. If the problem persists, professional help is essential. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.